Hello everybody and happy Friday. Today I'm going to make a new drink to me. I've never made one of these before, I've never tried one of these before, but it's a Pisco sour. Typically, I really like sours. Here is what you need. You need your Pisco, you need some agave syrup or sugar syrup, I prefer agave, a lime, an egg, but you only need the white, and some bitters. Let's make a really kick-ass drink. Step 1, get your Pisco and you need 50 millilitres of it into your shaker. You then need about 25 millilitres of your lime. Oh, this is a good lime. So easy to squeeze. I think lime might be my favourite citrus fruit. Not to eat on its own, but I just love lime in things, or on things, sometimes around things. 25 millilitres of lime going in. You then need the same amount, 25 ml, of your sugary stuff. So I've got agave syrup here. Also going into your shaker. And then you need about half an egg white, which is actually about the amount that dollops out when you crack your shell. Like so. Here's a little tip that I learned really recently. If you're making a sour or anything with egg white in it, dry shake first for about 30 seconds or so. You'll actually feel the texture start to change. And that kind of helps you aerate your liquid. Then you add your ice. So no ice in there, and let's shake. I don't know if you can hear it, but I can certainly feel that the mixture's kind of getting lighter and bubblier. Okay, I reckon that will do. Next, get your rocks glass out, and you're going to want to ice your glass and also ice your shaker. Ooh, it smells good in there, that's for sure. Here we go, oh, that looks good. Right, then you just have to strain, and you should hopefully have a very velvety mixture. Oh, hello. That looks good, doesn't it? That looks amazing. Finally, like a few dashes of your Angostura bitters on top for the fragrance and also the flavour. And then we say cheers to my first ever Pisco sour. I think I'm gonna like it because it smells amazing. Oh my God, it's so good. I'm more of a lime fan than a lemon fan anyway. So I think making a sour with lime over lemon is just delicious. Wow. Oh, that is bloody amazing. Cheers everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you make one of these, then let me know on Instagram or on Twitter, assuming you drink responsibly and you are of age, of course. But cheers, see you soon, bye.